So you got yourself a Raspberry Pi. Fair warning, this little guy gets hot. And I mean really hot. So to solve this problem, you're gonna have to get yourself an active cooler. Don't get something too crazy, this is relatively inexpensive and it'll do the job just fine. First, you wanna lay out your thermal pads. Now you don't gotta worry about placing a thermal pad on the wireless module, make sure you place them here, 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 and here. Afterwards, you get your base. Then place your Raspberry Pi on top of your base. Then make sure you got your screws and your Allen wrench ready. Secure the active cooler on top of your Pi 5. Then make sure you take off this plastic cover right here, like this. You're going to want to use tweezers to plug in the fan. Then very carefully tuck away your wires. Now some active coolers have 2 fans, some have 1 fan, some have no fan. No matter what you have, just make sure you put your screws in place. Secure them in place and don't over tighten them. Then flip her over on her back and screw in the holes but not too tight. And then voila, a perfectly cooled Raspberry Pi 5. But I did forget to put this ribbon cable through that slot right there, so make sure you don't forget that. Ah, that's better. Also, with some active coolers, some hats might not work, so make sure you get a GPIO riser. That'll make everything easier. And if you want to be fancy, one of these. In the words of Mayhem, very posh indeed.